Hello, today we're going to do a gear lube change in a Mercury Fourstroke. I'm going to take off the prop to access the drain plug of the gear lube. I'm going to pry out these tabs with a screwdriver, pry out the tabs, just hammer them out. Now we're going to take off the prop nut. Prop nut's a 1 1/16 inch. If it's 2x4, you can wedge the prop to loosen the nut. I'm going to loosen the nut. Take the nut off. Take the chain off. Take this off. This locks the washer down. It's a lock washer. Locks the nut down. We'll slide the prop off. I'm going to take out the bore sleeve. Trim the motor all the way down. Use an open pan so it doesn't hit. Over on the side of the lower unit. Unscrew this vent plug. Make sure you bring the washer with it. Get a big flathead up with the drain plug. Let the gear oil drain out. You do want to remove that gasket. So I ordered a Mercury high performance gear lube and pump. It's a 918M0101435. This is clean up your drain plugs, put new gaskets on them. Put new drain plug gaskets on. Alright, the oil's done draining. We're gonna get our gear lube. Gonna screw in the pump. Pump it up until it comes out the vent hole. Alright, here it comes. Alright, there it is coming out. It's taking 3/4 of the bottle. Just hand tighten the vent screw. The new gasket on there. There we go, it's good to go. We're gonna remove it from the bottom and then put the drain plug in. Tighten up the drain plug. Hand tight. Good to go. Clean up all the oil. Put on the new prop, the bore sleeve. Put some grease on the shaft. Put the prop back on. Put the retaining washer. You see, goes over where the two tabs are. Can only go on one way. It'll only fit on flush one way. Alright, it's supposed to be 55 foot-pounds of torque. There it is. 55 foot-pounds. Alright, we got it torqued down. Now we're going to bend these tabs back to the prop nut. So just bend these back to the prop nut. Locks the nut in place. Gear oil is changed. Good to go. Time to get back on the water. Thanks for watching.